Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore, and this package here just arrived from Speed Post. It's past 9 p.m. now, and these guys are really working hard to deliver our packages. Really gotta pay respects to these people who are doing all the deliveries from the online orders. So I'm gonna use my very high-tech commando knife here to do the unboxing. Alright, this one here is a very standard way of packaging from Creation watches. Alright, so we see plenty of packing foam peanuts over here. Right, good move by the retailer, because this is the right way to protect your shipment. Alright, so upon impact, these things are gonna protect your watches. And this is the packaging. We've got this look here, sort of a cement screed kind of look here, alright, concrete look. So I'm just gonna put this on my dining table, and you can see this thing will camouflage itself into the dining table. I've got a G-Shock over here. Let's take a look at the reference number. This is GA-2100BP. So what is BP? Let us quickly open this box here and reveal what's the new purchase that I've just made. Alright, G-Shock. Even the box here matches my table very well. A very standard tin can packaging over here, and this is the watch in question today. Okay, so we've got the 2100BP, which stands for Blue Paisley 2100BP-1ADR, and you can see that this one here has got a really interesting paisley print blue dial here. In this series here, we have 4 models. I think there is also some sort of a GA-700, and of course there is that Bluetooth Square that I've been eyeing for a while. But this one here is the Casioak version of the Blue Paisley, and I just love all these blue dial watches, and I thought, why not give it a try? So with all the packaging out of the way, let's have a closer look at the GA-2100BP Casioak Blue Paisley Edition. We've got a lovely shade of blue dial over here, not the sort of blue that is overpowering or gaudy looking. Just nice here, just right. Everything looks fantastic, and then the handset as well as the markers here are also very legible. The overall specs here should be the same as with all the battery powered Casio watches. Alright, I believe this one here has got the standard 2 or 3 year battery life, and the module number for this watch is 5611, and it's got the carbon core guard construction. And here's a really quick wrist shot to see how well it fits on my wrist here. I love these Casioaks, they wear so well. I'm a big fan of analog digital G-Shock, so this one here might just be in the rotation for my daily wearing watch. So quite happy with this purchase here. Stay tuned for upcoming videos on the Casioak series. I've purchased a few Casioaks in the last few months, and I think might be a good time to do sort of a show and tell model and to compare some of the watches that I've got. Alright, so stay tuned for that video. This is Andy in Singapore. Bye bye.